In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a FundedNext account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and once you're over here in their dashboard, you want to click on Start Challenge down here or up here. And then once you do that, you'll have to select your best plan. So here, you'll basically have to select the one you want to get. You can see the fees over here. You can see the account sizes, and you can select a Stellar 2 plan, Stellar 1 step, or I mean Stellar 2 step, Stellar 1 step, Stellar Lite, or Stellar Instant for CFDs or futures. So this is completely up to you. Whenever you find one that you would like to get, click on Get Plan. Here you have to select your platform, you have to select your swap type and then your add-ons, and you want to click I agree to terms of service and challenge terms. So simply click on both of these to read them through if you actually agree or not. And after you do agree, click on this check mark, click on get started. And over here, you're now going to have to basically pay. If you have a code, a coupon code, you can apply that over here. But otherwise, you have to select one of these payment methods over here and then basically just pay. And then this way, you'll be able to get your FundedNext account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.